What I thought was going to be an easy day turned out to be not so easy. This ornamental grass is very difficult to dig out. It clumps, but I managed to get about 6 or 7 new stalks out of it, and I planted it on this side. And down below I have planted some yucca, and beside it I have planted some irises on that level and this other level. And we will see in the spring just how they do. You can just barely see the irises that I planted. They were cut far too low after their bloom, so it may take a year or two to get these to bloom again. They all look very healthy. It's just that they are so small. Our hostas are looking good that I planted about a week ago. And over here is the yuccas that I planted. There's 2 different varieties in there. I am hoping that I got enough roots for them. And there's the ornamental grass. I got lots of roots on that, so that should do very well. And in the back against the wall here, I have planted some daisies. They are very hardy. So next spring, summer, there should be a beautiful yellow flower there. And it takes a year or two for the yuccas to bloom. And what people don't realize is after a yucca blooms, that particular plant is now dying or dead. But it does produce 3, 4, 5 babies alongside of it. So it looks like it really never dies. We've had these yucca up front probably 30 years, and they're as healthy today as the day we bought them. I planted another ornamental grass here, and the grass that I planted up there is doing okay. I can't wait to chop it down in the fall and see what the new is in the spring. So basically, other than a little minor cleanup, we are just about done with this project. I mean, it's only been 4 months.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.